Hello everyone. Today's we're having two idioms to discuss. The first idiom is a night owl. Again, a night owl. As you know, the meaning of owl means in Arabic هامة. This is a figurative speech or metaphorical speech. Why is that? Since that night owl considered as the person who stayed up all the night. Again, a night owl is the person who stayed up the whole night. The second idiom is the morning bird. Also, it refers to the person who wakes up early. So, you gotta tell me in the comments, who are you? Are you a night owl or a morning bird? Thank you so much and discuss it with me. Don't forget that.